I know y'all probably didn't expect this, but welcome home, welcome home, welcome home. Y'all got a new car and we got us a new house. Oh.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take a little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say?
Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. So on today's vlog, I got a special surprise for you guys. It is my empty apartment tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because y'all, we're going up. We're going up. So without further ado, let's get into the empty apartment tour. Yay! I'm so excited! Alright, so this is starting at my front door. You can see that's the front door. So I just have this space. I'm thinking about putting like an awning or something right here. And definitely like something I can hang my keys and stuff up. Like a little mud room kind of. And then when you come this way, there's a hall closet. As you can see, I started like moving a little stuff in. So yeah, this is just like my hall closet. When you come this way, this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Y'all, it's so nice. Great lighting, tall ceilings. I think I have like 14.5-foot ceilings in my bathroom, and in here it's like 12.5 feet, so it's so much space. So yes, this is the kitchen portion. Yes, y'all, we have an island. We have an island. We have an island. So this is the island on the kitchen side. That's just the hot water heater, my thermostat. When you come this way, this is the pantry. That's the pantry. We have plenty cabinet space, as you can see, y'all. Y'all know I wanted my gray cabinets. I got my gray cabinets. I got my gray cabinets. We got the built-in microwave with the stainless steel appliances, with the white backsplash, y'all. Cooking videos about to go up. The cooking videos are about to go up. Shout out to Kiara's Crazy Kitchen, cause we're making a comeback, baby. We're making a comeback. Anyway, so yes, this is the stove. So y'all, we got plenty cabinet space. Plenty cabinet space. I love the hardwood floors in here. Very nice. Now this is the other side. Like I said, y'all have a stainless steel dishwasher. Yeah. Don't mind my bag and my food and stuff. I'm moving. And then here's the refrigerator. We have a brand new stainless steel refrigerator. Nobody used it before. I'll be the first. Yeah. So that's the view of the kitchen. So this is what it looks like when you walk in the house. Here's my living room. Very spacious. Tall ceilings. Love the windows. They are huge. Great lighting. I never have to open them because if y'all can see, the lighting in here is amazing. So yes, this is my living room area. Y'all, I don't think y'all are getting justice. I'm gonna stand in the corner. Look how big is it? It is in here. Very spacious, y'all. Very spacious. Alrighty, so when you go this way from the living room, here's my linen closet. I have a linen closet. Nothing special, nothing special. Then we have a laundry room. Very spacious laundry room with a front load washer and dryer. I already have some stuff in there because I came and took a bath last night. So here's my washer and dryer, my laundry room, in case y'all want to see with the light on. That's what that looks like. I turned all the lights off because I pay the bills right here. I pay the bills right here, and we don't want no high light bill. So when you go this way, here's my bedroom. We have the tall ceilings in the bedroom as well. Ceiling fan, big window. Y'all, so here's my bedroom. It's pretty big in here as well, y'all. This is me standing in the corner, and this is how much space we have. My bedroom has carpet in there, which I don't mind because it brings the cozy vibes. Y'all, and this, y'all know what closet I'm coming from. Y'all seen my closet in my old house. Y'all seen my closet in my old house, baby. Baby, we have hit the jackpot again. We have hit the jackpot. Look at my walk-in closet. Of course, I already have clothes in here because I'm trying to be proactive and go ahead and get in here. And it's a little bit color coordinated a little bit. But y'all, look at all this space. And I have the tall ceilings in my closet as well. Y'all, it's... I'm gonna have a ball in here, okay? Very spacious. Very spacious in here. So when you go out my bedroom, past the laundry room and the linen closet, this is my bathroom. Big. Big. Y'all, this is my mirror. Hey, y'all. Don't mind me, I look a mess, but I am moving. But yeah, this is the mirror, the lighting we have. 14.5 foot ceilings in the bathroom. This is my bathroom. And then this is my tub. My neighbor's upstairs going in, but I don't care, it's Friday night. Do you, boo? Do you? Do you? But yeah, y'all, this is my bathroom. So guys, this is our new house. Are y'all excited? Are y'all excited? I'm excited. I know y'all probably didn't expect this. But welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. Y'all, we got a new car and we got us a new house. Oh, we live the life. Anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed my empty apartment tour. I am currently like moving stuff in, as y'all seen. So I'm gonna do that because it is 9:08 at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the things that I have. I hope you guys enjoy it, and the videos are coming. I know I'm on a break right now, but the videos are coming. My internet gets transferred over tomorrow. And I have no excuse but to, you know, do the damn thing. So I'm gonna do the damn thing. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. It's game time, baby. It's game time. Thank you so much for continually supporting me, even through my break. My numbers have been amazing. We have new family members. I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. And I hope y'all ready to go on this new journey with me. Because like Cardi B said, it's up and it's stuck. Peace.